Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the square root symbol on your Google Slide mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a square root symbol or square root in Google Slide mobile, I just going to show in this short video. So I just opening this and just going to open a document here. And now I just need to insert a square root symbol or square root. So double tap here, and you just want to note that there is no insert symbol option present in the Google Slide mobile. Instead of that, you can use your Google keyboard. Here I just using Google keyboard or Gboard. First of all, click on this number section here on the bottom. Then you just need to click on this equal this symbol section here. You will see the root symbol here, square root symbol here. This is how you just insert the square root symbol on your Google Slide mobile, because there is no option to insert the symbol. So try this alternative way, and if you're having any doubts about a Google Slide mobile, just comment below. I just make a video about it. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.